To blank should the complaint be addressed? A. Who. B. Whoever. C. Whom. D. Whomever. Again, for question number 7, to blank should the complaint be addressed? A. Who. B. Whoever. C. Whom. D. Whomever. Again ha, i-test po natin siya. Kung pronoun ba ang ipapalit natin, kung anong klase ng pronoun. Kung he, definitely who. Pero kung him, whom siya. Okay. Allow me to read your answers. Oscar A, Remieglo A, Legnem C, Oscar C, Jane C, Aram C, Charlene C, May C, Maydel C. Okay. To blank should the complaint be addressed? Let's try to change the pronoun kasi ito, it's preposition yan. To he should the complaint be addressed? To him. Kanino ba? To he or to him? Ano dapat? To him. So kung him ang ginamit natin dito, definitely and technically, it should be whom. To whom should the complaint be addressed? Okay? Remember, after a preposition such as to, use whom. Address, or example, address to whom. Ano po? Quick rule again. Preposition plus object whom. To whom. With whom. For whom. Yung kanina, yung sa nauna, pag pinalta ng pronoun na he, to who siya. I-replace mo siya, he will represent. Ito naman, if you can replace it with him, paltan natin siya ng, ang gagamitin natin, whom. Kasi di ba ito, yung preposition, to him. Kung mapapalitan natin siya ng him, we make use of whom. Again, if you can replace it with him, use whom. Preposition plus object. Example, to whom, with whom, for whom should the complaint be addressed? Kanina daw i-address yung concern? To him. Hindi namang to he. No, to him. Pag yun po ang ginamit natin na to him, technically, it's letter C, whom. Huwag pong kalilimutan, ha? Try nating sagutin yung mga tanong. Ano po? Okay.